Good morning, students. Today we are going to understand the next topic from the practical geometry, that is angle bisector. So let us understand the angle bisector. We'll take question from exercise 14.6. Question number 1. In question number 1, you have to draw the angle 75 degree, and after that you have to draw the line of symmetry for that. So let us start. First, you draw a line or a ray. The name of angle is given POQ, so you put here PO and here Q. So you have to make the angle 75 with the help of protractor. Mark the end point of the ray 75 degree. So we'll start from this side 50, 60, and this one is 75. So in this way you will draw the angle 75. This point is P and the angle is 75 degree. Now we are going to understand the angle bisector. Open the compass of certain radius. It's your choice. Place the compass at the point O and cut these two arm OP and arm OQ at two different points. You take this point A and this one B. Now you can change the compass radius. Open it of certain radius. A as a center, mark the arc. Now B as a center with unchanged compass. Let this point C. Now join O and C. This OC is the bisector of angle POQ. You can measure angle POC and QOC, that will be equal. Okay. So in this way you can measure it now. See here, okay, and here also it's almost same. This is the angle bisector. Okay, so this is how to draw the angle bisector. In the next question again we will do the same. The repetition will be there. Question number 2 में 114 डिग्री एंगल दिया है. You have to draw the angle 114 degree. So draw a ray. Okay, हो गया. Angle name is not there, so you can write again as per your choice. Let it be C and it will be O. Let the angle made at point O, the vertex 147. So this is your 140, this is your 135. Okay, so you can use the another one where it is clearly written. So this is your 145, this is 6 and this is 5, 6, 7, this is your 7. So in this way you join name it A. Now we have to draw the bisector of what? Angle AOC. In the previous question we have drawn the angle bisector, and angle bisector is the same as the line of symmetry. Here also the line of symmetry work as a, so open the compass of certain radius and put it at O. Let the name here ABC. You can put here D and here E. Now open the compass equal to certain radius and D as center. Now after that E is center and cut the arcs. Let it be your F, this point. Now join F and O. This line OF are the ray, you can say this ray which divides the angle AOC into two equal parts. Okay, this is your again the angle bisector. Little bit difference may be there, but that can be due to the disturbance in your compass or the scale. Okay, so let us see the next question. Question third. Question third. In question third we have to draw the right angle. So let you draw angle. So first you'll draw the ray. The name is not there, you can write here B and here C. Afterward you have to draw the right angle, mean 90 degree. So put the protector at point B, the vertex, the meeting point of the two lines, and here 45. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40 and this is 45. So in this way you'll draw the angle 45. Okay, join these points. Let it be A. This is 45 angle. Okay, now we have to draw the bisector of it. So take the compass, open of certain radius. Okay, put the one end of the compass at B and cut these two arms at different points. Name it D and E. Now what you have to do? D as a center with certain radius. Open your compass equal to certain radius. Okay, mark the arc. Now unchanged, keep the compass unchanged with the same radius. E as center, mark the two arcs. These arcs will meet at, let it be F. Now join F and B. Okay, you can draw the dotted line also. So this BF divide this angle ABC into two equal parts. One is from this to this, another one from here to this one. So that is why this is the angle bisector is there. Okay, so in this way you can draw the angle bisector of any angle. Now next question. Question number 4. You have to draw the angle 153 degree. So let us will start. let it be C, this is B, and we have to make the angle equal to 153. So this is, put the protractor at the point B and start from here to 153. This is your 150 and 1 2 3. Okay, so this is your 153. So join here. This, let it be A, mark the arc keeping the compass at B at the points D and E. Okay, D as center, mark the arc. E as center with the same radius, mark the another arc. So let it be F. Join these two points. So you can measure with the help of this one also. So it is same. Now let this point G where this ray and this arc cut. Now we have there are two parts of this angle A B C. One is this, another is this one. We have to divide further this part. The compass is, the arc is already drawn, so you can open the compass of your radius choice D as center, then unchanged rakhiye G as center. Okay, so get this point H, join H and B. Okay, in the same way you have to divide this one. Open the compass because the arc is already there, so you open the compass as G as center with the same radius, mark another arc E, let it be I, and join which B and I. So these two parts, one is this one, another is this one. You can put the name here. One part, another, second part, third part, fourth part. The given angle is divided into 4 parts, and you can see here the 4 parts are equal. You can see here with the help of little bit difference will be there. Okay, that is workable. So second time if you draw, then it will be okay. Okay, this is all about your the angle bisector. Do the practice of these questions. Okay, thank you.